This Faceless YouTube channel is making $35,000 every month with extremely simple methods. YouTube Shorts. In fact, I created 30 YouTube Shorts in just 30 minutes for free in this video. I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same. So you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. But before we start, welcome to that AI Ninja. This is the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI technology. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification button to stay informed if new and popular money-making techniques are posted. But before we dive in, let me quickly share with you the short story of how I came up with this video idea. Yeah, it's 12 a.m. and there I am lying in bed scrolling through YouTube Shorts. Like my life depends on it. I've probably watched every cute animal video at least twice. But just as I'm about to give myself a sweet embrace of sleep, I come across a video. That changes everything. The best girls are always going to be the most difficult. Wow. Just wow. I did what any rational person would do and clicked on the creator's profile to take a closer look. And let me tell you, this person is a true modern-day philosopher, and I couldn't help but think to myself how kind it is for someone to be handing out life-changing wisdom. I couldn't believe my luck, but then I found out that this page makes around $40,000 each month. That got me thinking about how hard it could be to make these kinds of videos. Well, I'm going to show you. Of course, we're starting with ChatGPT. A quick tip before starting your conversation with ChatGPT is that it is always extremely important to express your gratitude. I mean, who knows when the day will come when AI takes over the world and enslaves humanity. Maybe this way, you will be spared and get a cozy job as an AI, personal assistant. Alright now, let's dive into what we're going to do in this video. I want to teach. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to write 30 love quotes about boys and girls. It seems like ChatGPT understands one thing to note. If ChatGPT generates something you like, make sure to let it know. It will pay attention and build on it further. So for you people out there, only ask it to do 30 and then continue by asking it to generate 30 more until you have the desired amount of quotes. Alright, what you now want to do is copy and paste. All the quotes are in Google Docs, and as you can see, I have more than 30 unique posts generated by ChatGPT. So let's start making some fancy YouTube Shorts with Canva first. Go to canva.com, click on mobile video on the left side, and you'll see the design section. Here you'll find various templates to choose from. You can search for templates based on your project. In my case, I'm looking for quotes just like the ones that my ex posted on Instagram, to make me jealous. As you can see, there are plenty of templates that match my description, but I've already found one that I like. So I'm going back to recently used words. The goal is to match the quote style of those YouTube Shorts that we watched earlier. So I'm going to put the theme text like love quotes somewhere at the end. At the top of the screen, the quote itself is in the middle. And at the bottom, I'm going to add the YouTube channel where the shorts are going to be posted. Text needs to be a little bit bigger. However, as you can see, it's no longer centered. A quick tip is to go to Position in the top toolbar and then click on Center. Let's put it in quotes and see how this looks. The quote is difficult to read, so I'm going to add a background to the quote in the Effects section. Again, at the top of the toolbar, you can choose from lots of different colors. However, black works fine for me. The quote also needs to be a bit larger, like this. However, as you know, the quotes are always made up of two parts, just like my ex's personality. So I'm going to copy and paste this. So I have a second text block. I'm going to drag it down a bit for now and copy the second part of the quote here. One thing to notice is that in this template, all the text has nations added to it. For this kind of video, I don't want to have animations. So I'm going to remove these from all the text blocks. The style of videos I want to make is made up of two parts. The first 9 seconds display the first part of the quote. Then there is a 1-second pause. And then it reveals the second part of the quote, which has a duration of about 1.5 seconds. This is because 1.5 seconds is just too fast for people to read. So they will watch the video again, which gives you a great watch time, resulting in YouTube pushing out your video to a lot more people. Next, click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. The second half of the quote should only take about 1.5 seconds, and then we want the video to end. Drag the end of the video to the end of the second part of the quote. Finally, we want to center the second part of the quote on the screen, and we're done. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Our video template is ready. Now here comes the real magic, and it's not the kind of magic you see in a David Copperfield show. We're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva, so I can make hundreds of different videos with just a few clicks. Go to Apps in the left menu and search for Bulk. Create a selection, enter data manually, and clear all data. Then copy your document's quotes. As you can see, we have the first 30 quotes in, so we can click on Done Next. We want to connect the different pieces of text to the correct parts of the video, right? Click on the text in the video and go to Connect Data. Now select the right piece of data. You want to be shown in the text. This part is going to be the theme, so we need to get to the first half of the quote. We have to drag the second part down for the first half of the quote. We select the first part for the second half, and we select the second part. Once you've connected all the data pieces, put the second part back in the center of the video, and we're good to go. Now all parts of the data have a purple check mark on the left, indicating that we're ready to generate the video. Click on Continue, then on Generate 30 pages, and voila! We now have 30 YouTube Shorts with different quotes. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background. You can change this manually by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting Elements. Here, you can search for different videos and choose the one you like. Click on the 3 dots at the top of the video and select Replace Background. However, I'm not going to do this 300 times, and I don't need all 300 videos to have a different background. This brings us back to why I didn't generate the 300 videos all at once, because you can do that. Let me show you a better way. Go back to the previous page and start over at step 1 for bulk. Create once again, select Enter Data manually, and clear the table. Then go to your spreadsheet, copy the names of the rows, and paste them into Canva. Now go back to the spreadsheet and copy the next 30 quotes. Paste them into Canva and select Done. As you can see, all the data pieces have a purple check mark, so we can click on Continue. But before you hit that Generate button, let's change up the background. Head back to Elements and search for a video that tickles your fancy. Once you find it, click on those 3 little dots and select Replace Background. Just be warned, the new video will have the same length as the video you selected for the background. So if it's a 2-minute video, you're in for a ride, so when you switch up the background, you'll have to adjust the length again. Now let's head back to Bulk, Create, and select Generate 30 pages. 30 more videos are coming right up. The joys of video editing. It's like painting a masterpiece, except instead of a brush, I'm using my mouse, and instead of a canvas, I'm staring at a screen. And instead of creating something beautiful, I'm just generating pages of mindless videos with random quotes. Now, you can head over to Share and select Download. Choose your desired quality, select Download pages as separate files, and voila, you're done. And now, all that's left is to repeat these steps 8 more times. And there you have it, 300 amazing YouTube Shorts in just 30 minutes. Let me know what I should do with all these shorts. Maybe I could post them all in 30 days to see what happens. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas. And of course, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, because there is definitely more coming up until next time.